To ensure gooey, chocolatey perfection, start by lining your tin with eco-friendly home compostable bake paper. This layered dessert cake starts with the fudgiest flourless chocolate cake, rich with ground almonds and dark chocolate. The genius tip to keeping this cake super fudgy is to cover it whilst it bakes. Create the perfect topping using my foolproof method for the dreamiest cloud-like mousse. And just like that, you've created the most amazing, rich and elegant chocolate dessert cake that is sure to impress. More basics, more brilliance.